Hello everyone, I'm Mithun and today I'm excited to present Farmora, a futuristic farming AI agent. Farmora is an AI-powered agent-based assistant for paddy farmers and the farmers who like regional farmers around the South India. It helps with early disease detection, intelligent crop planning, and real-time market insights, all through a simple conversational chat interface. Let's look at the problem. Um, Traditional farming still depends heavily on experience and delayed information. Diseases are often detected too late, and the market prices change without any warning, and farmers lack a single reliable decision-making system. So Farmora solves this using multimodal AI. Farmers can interact using text, voice, or images. An intelligent LLM-based router directs each query to the right expert in agent, delivering accurate, timely, and actionable guidance. Let's get into the architecture. Uh, as you can see, the architectures are differed in various methods and various stages. At first, we have our basic MVP like kind of architecture where we use multimodal interface. On the top of the stack, we use multimodal, where everything it where it enables to accept everything like text, voice, and multi-part inputs. So the inputs are processed by an LLM intent processor powered by Google Gemini, which identifies the user intent. Based on this intent, queries are routed to specialized agents. The agents such as timeline, market, and disease agent. The agent orchestration is handled using LangGraph, which is a graph-based application, like graph-based framework used to connect and orchestrate the AI agents and maintain the good flow of states and memories. Yeah, we can now we can go through the coding implementation. So this is our code base. Here we have our backend, front end, and all those Docker files. And the front end is consisting of JavaScript and React, and backend is fully Python, which contains CI. So let's get into the model prototype. This is our landing page where you have our brand, where you have a branding and you have a login and sign up page. Okay, if you can get a sign up where the location GPS location is automatically captured because for the personalized weather data or some insights based on the location. So in that you can create the user which is stored in a database and you can as of now I use my existing user ID. So when I log in, we have seen an interface where the chat interface we can chat or we can maintain a conversation with an AI, and we have tabs like chat, news, timeline. Chat, is a conversation, and for AI news, it's kind of kind of insightful dashboard. There is two things, which is one has weather insights, which based on the location. Wait a minute, I'll refresh. The weather insights is based on the our latitude and longitude. It fetch from the API and gives us the weather insightful farming details, which means the how the weather insights are you comply with the farming things kind of stuff it be returned. And if you see, you can see the languages option. We have multiple regional language across the India, which is helpful for the farmers to converse in their own language. And you can see there is news. These news are summarized by the AI from the APIs. And you can see the timeline. The timeline is when you have a chat with an user interface. it create to a timeline. Let us see. Let us experiment the language and the timeline at the same time. Let let me choose Tamil. I say create me an create me a timeline. In the sign up itself, you have information or KB knowledge base to the application, which includes the crop types, your location, and what are the things you are doing. These are recorded. You can see assistants thinking. As you can see, the whole UI dashboard is translated into Tamil. You can see there are the results which is coming under the Tamil, like the kind of the planning and the scheduling, like stuffs are uh, responded from AI, and we have the suggested task from the suggested form tasks. You can either accept or decline it. If I accept, you say the it's added to timeline, and you can like accept whatever one. If you accept those two, it added to the timeline, and you can visit in those. You can either like you can mark it as completed, or if it is completed, it's kind of updated in your database. So these are the overall UI, and these are the various features you have. We can normally communicate with the, so like this, multiple things you can do with this kind of UI. If we change the language and refresh it, it's automatically get converted into the language which you used to do. So these are the overall uh, application features. To conclude, Farmora shows how agentic AI can truly transform agriculture by bringing uh, powerful data-driven intelligence directly into trends and directly into hands of farmers through a simple chat interface. Future enhancements include IoT sensor integration, satellite imagery analysis, and regionally voice language support. Thank you.